What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy E Double coming back to you with an early Saturday morning review. I know it's been a minute, but I got to get back on and popping. We're gonna do this one shot, no editing, straight to the dome, just how it should be done. I'd like to say shout out to everybody at SneakerCon. I know y'all getting enough SneakerCon ATL today and tomorrow. Shout out to everybody in the Ham at the Magic City Classic. I miss it. ASU looking pretty good in that black and gold, but can't sleep on that maroon and white A&M as well. Also, get ready for the Bring the Pain podcast tomorrow. We're gonna about to be lit up in that joint. 8 p.m. Eastern, 2 p.m. Hawaii, 7 p.m. Central. And let me see, what is that? 5 p.m. Pacific. So I covered everybody's time zone. I don't know if you're overseas, you got to just check your time. It will be on your notification if you had that notification button hit. Like to say, welcome to all my new subscribers, continued subscribers, the Money Notification Squad, Soul Firm Family, Hawaii Sneakerheads, Truers. I think that's covered everybody. Now let's get into this review. As you can see, this is probably my, third pair of LeBron. Well, actually second pair. I had to dump the 1 through 5 because my butt got it a little bit too small. And so please try these shoes on before you cop them, because they run kind of weird. As you can see, it's a regular all black LeBron box. Got that Dunk Man etched in these joints. You can see LeBron 16, men's 11, women's 12 and a half. Fisher colorway, team red, metallic gold. Suggested retail price $185 of them things. Got the signature right there. This model is a QS. A lot of people was on the fence with these, but this is a very, very dope shoe. You got that white paper. LeBron James the King. Don't really care too much about the player, but he on my Lakers, so it's all good. But the shoe is dope. Check it out. Some people don't like that all white bottom. You got that LJ on that, and you got these Zoom pods, very dope. You got that gold jump man jumping at you like bow, just like that. You got that fly net, a battle net, I should say battle net 2 material all on this shoe. You got your alternate holes for lacing. I know some people say it's a pain to get there, but that actually probably more for your lockdown if you want to make it tighter. On here you got LJ, which is very dope here on the shoe. Then coming up, you got the lion, and then you got his signature. Some people don't like this all in one with the tongue into the shoe, because it make it kind of a pain to get in. But good thing this shoe is a low, so not too bad. Then you got this gold swoosh here, which is very dope. And then some people don't like this cheetah print. To each his own. It does kind of look kind of cheesy right here, how they got it stitched going into that white. But I mean, it is what it is. What can you do, right? You can see that clearness under the bottom. On the pull tab, you do have 16. LeBron 16. And then you got the gold stitching. Was a very, very dope hit on these LeBron the King. Like I said, I did go up a whole side. Generally, I go 10, maybe 10 and a half. But this one I had to go 11, because it gets kind of tight once you start to get up to the toe box. Inside the shoe, you got a picture. You can see it. I don't know if you can see it. I got to take this stupid shoe tree out. And then you got LeBron right here, etched. I don't know if you can see inside the shoe, but it's in now. But a very, very dope shoe. I think the next shoe coming out is I Promise. That is a very, very dope shoe. Definitely got to add that to the collection. So on the lit meter, I give this shoe about a 4.45 out of 5. Very, very dope shoe. I see not too many people messing with those Platinum 10s 11s. I'm going to go to the mall, do a short mall vlog later, see what they look like. Probably sitting, but we'll see. So with that being said, don't forget to hit that thumbs up, like, subscribe, check out the show for tomorrow, get that notification bell ready. Thank you for supporting your boy, E Double, and I'm out. Peace.